I'm Annette Böckler, and I'd like to explain you how Torah cantillation works. In this first film, you will learn the theoretical background. You will learn what's it all about. The Torah scroll contains only the consonants of the Hebrew text. In a book, in a Chumash, you will find the consonants and the vowels. And then there's a variety of mysterious signs which are called Ta'amei HaMikra. This is what this film is all about. These signs have a phonetical function. They show you where a word is stressed. They have a grammatical function. There are some kind of punctuation marks, like a full stop, a semicolon or a comma. They are sometimes important for the interpretation of the text, because of course how you divide a verse may change the meaning. And then they have a musical function. They show you how to chant this word.
Kadma munach zaka munach munach zarka munach segol munach.
In modern musical notation, there is one sign for each sound. So this sign sounds like this. But in ancient times, a musical sign was a notation for a tune, not just one sound. And this is also true for the Ta'amei HaMikra. One sign does not indicate just one sound, but a little tune. How this tune sounds depends on if this sign is found in the Torah, or in a prophetic book, or in Megillat Esther, or in Echa, or in Songs of Songs, Shir Shurim or Kohelet, or is it in the Torah, but it's chanted on the high holidays? And then there are regional differences. It depends where in the world you learned Torah cantillation. There is the Eastern European tradition of Torah cantillation. It is today common in the United States of America and Israel. There is the Western European tradition of Torah cantillation. It is today common in the United Kingdom and countries of the British Commonwealth. With some variations, this tradition is also used in Switzerland, parts of France and Brazil. The Dutch and the French traditions are variants of the Western European tradition. The Spanish-Portuguese tradition, however, is very different. It even has different names for the signs. The Italian tradition preserved some variations in the names of the signs too. And there are traditions that developed originally in Iraq or Syria, which sound very different from the other traditions. And also some signs sound differently depending on what comes next. Munach, 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 munach. So it is important to not just learn individual signs, but clauses. Let me explain the grammatical functions of the signs. Sof pasuk means end of the verse. So a sof pasuk is always at the end of a phrase, like a full stop. An etnachta subdivides the phrase into two halves. It's something like a semicolon. Each half can again be subdivided by a sakif katon, which is something like a comma. And the sakif katon section can be subdivided by a revere. Let me show you this within the text. In the first verses of the Torah, you see 5 times sof pasuk, the end of a phrase. And we have 5 times the etnachta, the semicolon, the major subdivision of a phrase. The half verses are sometimes subdivided by a sakif katon, and in our text occurs only once, a revere. There are more disjunctives and conjunctives, but these are the 4 most common ones. In the next film you will learn the tunes of these signs.